Hello friends, are you someone who knows a lot of English vocabularies, but when it comes to a speaking, words do not come to your mind, and because of that, you feel frustrated, you feel demotivated, you think speaking English is one of the toughest tasks for those who live in a small village or who is from non-English backgrounds, right? So, my friend, I want to tell you it's not merely your problem, it happens with every language learner in the beginning. Or, English is not only for athletes, actors, and their kids, it's also for us. We live in a small village, in our family members, nobody speaks in English, so we should fortunate that we are born on this digital time that everything is possible. So in today's video I am going to share with you few amazing tips that will really help you out to improve your English speaking. And speaking English, it is a skill. It has nothing to do with how many vocabularies do you know. Okay, but before talking about the solutions, let's understand what are the problems. Even if we know a lot of vocabularies, but still we are unable to speak in English. So what are the causes? Okay, my dear friends, speaking is an active skill. It has nothing to do with your passive skills. Okay, because when you speak in English, then it needs a lot of ingredients, active ingredients, like your presence of mind, your eye contact, and body language, facial expression, your tone, and a number of things it requires. And because of this all pressure, you feel like, oh my god, how can I speak? It is very tough to balance everything while speaking, while delivering your message to others, right? So these are the problems because we have been trained to memorize words. We haven't been trained to speak directly in English. And in today's video, I will share with you 5 tips that will really help you out to speak in English fluently and confidently without thinking in your mind, without translating in your mind. You will speak as natural as I am speaking. Now let's talk about the solution. So the first solution is that low pressure practice. What does it mean? Practice speaking English with a friend who do not judge you. If you talk with a friend who brings you down, then stop practicing with those sort of friends. Okay? Well, a low pressure practice means you will not have to put pressure on yourself, because if you put pressure on yourself in the beginning, then believe me, you will be demotivated, you will feel frustrated, and you can't learn English language anymore. So you need to practice alone if no any friends around you. You can practice by recording yourself on camera. While recording, you don't have to focus on grammatical mistakes or any sort of judgments, your facial expression, or nothing like that. Just record yourself and feel confident, feel proud on yourself that at least I am trying. It's really amazing. And one day when I will become a fluent speaker, that day I will realize, oh my god, what sort of activities I used to do before. Then these are the techniques you need to follow initially. Don't practice with someone who judges you. Even with your family members, if anybody judges you, stop talking to them. Okay, so this is the first tip, low pressure practice. The second tip is that Prepare your mind for negative comments. When you will start practicing or start speaking in English, then your family members, your colleagues, your friends, your society members, they will always try to bring you down, that why are you trying to become an Englishman, right? And that time you will feel that, oh my god, I am alone full, and why I am trying speaking, everybody is speaking their mother tongue fluently and perfectly well, then why I am trying, and you will have self doubt. So be prepared that if anybody would pass comment on you, then just give a smile, don't react, okay, don't respond. Let your action, your fluency respond to them in upcoming days, okay. So when I used to practice English, a lot of my friends, they used to tell me, why are you trying to become an Englishman, you are showing off and a lot thing, but I didn't care about anyone. I just kept practicing, and now you can see my fluency. I am speaking perfectly well. I do not care about anybody's opinion. Now they appreciate me, they give compliment me. So what I am trying to tell you is, be prepared that people will ignore you, they will reject you, they will laugh at you, they will pass negative comments that you can't tolerate. But my friends, just believe in yourself. Unless you don't believe in yourself, you can't learn English language and nobody can teach you, okay. Now the final solution is that start doing a storytelling. A storytelling is one of the most powerful tool to make you fluent in English. When you do a storytelling, you not only become fluent in English, but also you learn a lot of words, phrases. You know how to frame long sentences without thinking or translating in your head. So, a storytelling is one of the most powerful tool. I became fluent in English thanks to a storytelling. So, go to any of YouTube channel, what you like the most. I used to follow words of wisdom. Over there, a lot of stories related to Gautam Buddha and spiritual stories. But the question is, how can I do a storytelling in the right way? So, my friend, go to any of your favorite YouTube channel and pick up any of stories that would be of 5 to 6 minutes. That is enough, and just practice speaking after listening to that story on your mobile camera 3 times. The first time when you will speak, you will forget 50% words or phrases that has been used in that story. Then don't worry, again practice the same story and again, then you will learn a lot of phrases, words a day. Just keep working on this at least for 20 days and you will see amazing results. Your English will be up to the mark. Well friends, if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment me below if you want any sort of courses or series of English speaking challenge.